Here are 5 myths about owning an SMMA and how I'm going to debunk them in this video. Okay, this is going to be a very controversial topic for most people who want to get an SMMA, so stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get right into today's video. So number 1 is SMMA is the quickest way to get rich, and I'm going to tell you right now it is not. This is not some course creation online passive income stream. No, it's not. It actually requires you building a real business with, good KPIs, good account managers, copywriters, media buyers, onboarders, project managers, direct response marketers. There's so many things in a business, media buyers, funnel builders, developers, website builders. There's so many different things in a business that need to be done. To the point where you are actually going to be required to be a completely different person. Okay, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. This is actually a real business that if you do perform very well with, then you can then sell it later on with the the automations, the systems, the retention rates that you have, the systems, the delegation, the team building, the hiring. All these different SOPs in the business are a very good selling point as you want to exit later on in your journey. Number 2, that myth is getting results are easy. That is complete false. If it was that easy, the business owners who are paying you would do it themselves. Getting results are actually not that easy, and it all comes down to 4 key parts that I always do in my own agent, which is number 1, have a really good irresistible offer for the client. Number 2 is have a good landing page with the right copy, the right social proof, and the right simplicity to convert ice cold traffic to warm, hungry buyers. Number 3 is their ad creatives. They have to stand out. They have to be congruent to what's on the landing page, and they have to hone in on that offer being very strong and irresistible. Number 4 is the back end, automations, emails, SMS, ways to increase the LTV of current buyers, ways to pull past buyers back into the ecosystem. There's way more to the game than just ads. That's why getting results are not easy. The problem is that people go into an agency and they are very impatient. They don't understand that those 4 key parts are needed, and they get very antsy because they think it's just about launching an ad campaign. That is completely false. Number 3 is about you should love every client. And we're just gonna leave that there because most clients, not most, but I would say 10 to 15% of clients are a pain in the ass. And that's just me being blunt and honest. They're needy. They think that they're the only client that you have. They're texting and calling you at all hours of the night. They are very needy and just not willing to compromise. They are just straight up annoying. Number 4 is you only want to make 10K a month, and that's why most people get in the SMMA world is they only want to make $10,000 a month. That is the dream life that you have set out for yourself, right? Here's the problem. You're gonna get to 10K a month. It's not as hard as you think. I cover a lot of that content on this channel. Once you get to 10K a month, you're gonna realize, whoa, if I can make 10K a month on my own, I can just hire people, go to 25, 50, 75, 100. Your hunger for more money will become even greater. You will become a completely different person. You will be a man of purpose, a man of intent, a woman of purpose, a woman of intent, whatever the case may be. You will officially have a business that is making 6 figures. And what's the next thing from there? 7 and 8. And you are always gonna be hungry. You're always gonna want more. And that's the way it is. That is human nature. And the last myth is that hiring a team is expensive. If you have good SOPs, good training, videos, and you have a good onboarding sequence for new hires, you don't have to worry about spending a ton of money in the beginning. You can get, decent, medium to average individuals to fulfill good results when you have good SOPs and automations to the point where anybody can follow those things. You don't always need crazy quality people in the beginning because to pay for quality people, you got to spend a lot of money. You want to keep your margins very high in the beginning, start proving that concept, build even more, even better SOPs, even better training. Then you can hire those bigger players when you're trying to hike to 50K a month, 100K a month. So I hope this video debunked these 5 myths that maybe you've thought about or someone told you about or you've seen on a video before. But thanks again for coming to today's video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.